Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So to do that, we should first launch the Google app and then just tap on the right upper corner, then go to the settings and tap to Google Assistant and down to voice match section. Hey Google and voice match. Then you'll see here Hey Google option, Hey Google switcher. Tap once on the switcher to activate this option. Click to more, I agree, continue. Just read the description, tap to start saving audio or to not now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. To add your voice model assistant to recognize your voice, tap to voice model, click to retain voice model and repeat after the assistant. So say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to finish. Click to not now. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated, and when you'll say Hey Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option is turned on. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.